Welcome back, everybody. So today we're going to be doing some pig shots on a Z grill. My name is RJ and this is Beginners Barbecue Outdoors. Alright guys, so here we have the things that we're going to need for the pig shots. I got the hot smoked sausage from Hillshire's. We need this. We got some bacon, 1 block of cream cheese. I got 2 fresh jalapenos, 1 cup of shredded cheese, 2 picks. The rub that we'll be using is from Lane's. We're going to use a sweet heat rub. And for the sauce, at the end of the cook, some pineapple chipotle. Now if you guys want to try these sauces, there'll be a link in the description if you guys want to look them up. First things first, let's go ahead and cut these jalapenos. If you guys don't want the seeds, you guys can do them without the seeds. You know me, I like them a little spicy, so I'm gonna add a little bit of seeds in them too. So we're using 1 fresh jalapeno because that seems like it's enough. First thing you want to do is just go ahead and add the cream cheese. I had it outside, sit on the table for a couple hours to get nice and soft. Pretty much just add all the ingredients in there. So let's go ahead and mix them up now. And then it'll look like this, all nice and mixed. We gotta add a little bit of rub now. Like they say, let's make it rain with a little bit of Lane's. There we go, nice little rub in there too. So now what we need, I got a Ziploc bag here. We're gonna put it in there. Alright, so this one just pretty much you're going to push it down. Pretty much we're going to cut it, but right now we'll do that after we're ready. Once we're ready, we'll give it a cut. Cut it in half. First piece off, so we need about I would say about this. About like this one. See, that one's perfect. So pretty much this is the base, the bottom part. Now let's grab our bacon. Alright guys, so I had to stop production because the bacon that I was using was horrible. It was falling apart like it was shredding. Just shredding. So never buy bar-ass bacon when you try to do stuff like this. So I had to stop, go to the store, and give me a better quality bacon. Turn about half of the bacon. A lot better. So they pretty much call these pig shots because you're making pretty much like a shot glass. Alright, here we have 8. What we're going to do is cut this. Now you want to add it inside. Bam. That looks good. Alright, I'm going to do the rest and be back. Alright guys, so there you have it. Look at these. Oh, I got that in the bottom. I'm excited to try these. So how are we going to cook them? That's the question you're asking right now. How are we going to cook these bad boys? Well, we're going to set our Z grill at 300 degrees. And we're looking about an hour total. At about half hour mark, I always like to, when there's something new, I like to check them halfway just to make sure we're on the right path here. We're in the right track. So I'm gonna check them in a half hour, look at them, make sure that everything's still going fine. 10 minutes before they're ready, I'm gonna put a little barbecue sauce in the middle, and then at the 1 hour mark, they should be coming out. So hopefully everything comes out good, 'cause it's our first time. All right, guys, let's fire up our Z grill. All right, guys, our Z grill is up to 300 degrees. Let's go ahead and add these bad boys in there, right in the middle. We'll be back in a half hour to see where they're at. All right, it's been 30 minutes, and that's how they're looking so far. We'll be back, I'm gonna say another 20 to put the barbecue sauce. All right, guys, let's go ahead and add our barbecue sauce. We'll be back another 10 minutes. All right, it's been 1 hour total. Let's go ahead and take them out. All right, guys, so here you have it. So before we get into this, let's have a quick recap of what we did today. All right, so there you have it. Man, I'm excited to try these. I didn't, to be honest, I did not know what these were. I put a post on YouTube asking you guys what you guys want to see, and a couple of you guys put pig shots, and I was like, pig shots? I gotta look at this. What is this? And man, thank you guys for suggesting this, because if it tastes as good as it looks, this is something that I'm going to be doing a lot this summer. So let's go ahead and try them. Don't forget to take out the toothpick. But make sure you wait a little bit because the cream cheese is hot. So this is a nice bite size, so I'm just going to go put the whole thing in. Wow. Oh man, these are good. These are good. Wow, where were they all my life, huh? Where were these guys? Because I just recently knew about these. I mean, I've seen some posts of people saying I did pig shots, and I never went and looked for it. Now I did. And oh my God, are they delicious. Make sure you guys check out these videos. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. More great content coming. Let me know down in the description what else you guys want to see. Or if you guys want to tweak this a little bit and add something different, or what you guys did for this cook, let me know. I'll see you guys next time.